the 5 requirements that are given by the client. Okay, now client says that he wants this project to be developed in waterfall model or sequential methodology. Then we have to develop this project in sequential methodology or waterfall model. So as I said, in waterfall model, development goes in a phase wise. So what we are going to do is, first, these are the 6 phases which we have studied as that is in last class. Okay, that is analysis phase, designing phase, development phase, testing phase, implementation phase, and maintenance phase. Okay, first what I am going to do is I will take analysis phase. So I am going to do analysis for complete ATM application system. Okay, so in my analysis all these 5 requirements will be covered. Then after that I will do a review. So based on the result of the review, then I will go to designing. Then I will be doing designing for entire ATM application system. That means I will be doing the designing of the screenshot, how the login page should look like, and once we enter into login, how the perform transaction page should look like, and what are the features that should available in perform transaction. And after that I will make bill payment page. So in this way I will do designing for entire application system. Then we are going to have a review. Then after that I will go to development phase. So I am going to develop the code for entire ATM application system. That means I will develop the code for login, perform transaction, bill payment, request for checkbook, and maintenance. Okay, and after that testing. So I am going to do testing for entire ATM application system. So in this way the development goes in a phase wise. Okay, after, yeah, tell me.
So question. So only in a waterfall, like you said, in waterfall methodology, will not be doing any changes to the requirements given by the client. So that is the reason we do review for each and every phase.
Exactly.
Okay. So what if we have requirements, then we'll go back to client and tell them the same thing.
So basically we will be in a understanding that there won't be any change request.
Okay.
But in case if there are any unrealistic problems, that means if there are problems which we did not expect, then there will be a separate process called as change management system. So if you have my course content, that is our module number 12.
Okay.
Okay, so at that point of time I will be explaining you how to go with change management process.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how the development goes in waterfall model, and there are some advantages and disadvantages with sequential methodology or waterfall model. Okay, so the first advantage is